Yeah, shorty, you better drag too. Hold up.
Save yourself a case, cause they in court testifying on us every day. Everybody wanna be fly, but don't nobody wanna get fly.
I ain't gonna lie, yo. I fucks with New York, yo. Look at this shit. Fucking. Ho, is it open? Hey, what time y'all open? Hello. So y'all open this early? Need a wake and bake. Yo, it's like they don't give no fucks, yo. They just walk right in front of cars, yo. They worse than the motherfuckers on Pennsylvania Avenue. A lot of females gonna get mad at me on this, but I don't care. Ayesha Curry, bitch. Yeah, wait, just wait. Don't kill me yet. Bitch, you was the same one who had all this bad shit to say about all you thoughts on Instagram twerking and bringing all this provocative stuff to get these guys' attention. I got my husband from being a nice, wholesome lady. I don't dress provocative. And we was feeling the shit out you like, yeah, shorty. Now, bitch, you done made a turnaround. Talking about something, oh, nobody don't holler at me. I need some attention. Bitch, you got a whole husband. Who you want attention from? And then you got niggas like me. What I'ma do? Walk up and take Steph Curry, girl? Hey, what's up, shorty? Can I holler? I only make $100,000 a year, and I can't shoot a fucking basketball from 30 fucking yards. My man Black, you do shit like this. Man.
Fucking boss today, yo.
Come through the motherfucking hood with the Henny out. On top of that motherfucker, man. Throwing your shit up. That's how you do that shit, man. Whole lot of gang shit, niggas. How we doing out this bitch, man? Yeah. I'm worried about the stacks, they gonna fly everywhere. My bad, yeah.
Every time I wake my wrist, they think it's like this. They don't know about this fatigue up here on night, man.